How are you feeling now after a nap?
Good.
Good? You're fresh now?
We ये बम
How are you feeling now after a nap?
Good.
Good? You're fresh now?
We
You're not eating?
but I don't like finger. I like that.
Okay.
I like Mom,
We have not left anything. We have had everything. We have not wasted any food. Rehat, what did you eat?
soup and noodles and spring rolls and I don't know else.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Did you like the food?
Yes.
So we are done and through. We'll just pay the bill and go.
ये बम
Last breakfast in Dubai. So the last breakfast is burgers in the house with some peanut butter, cold coffee, and some ketchup and some walnuts. Dad is not here because he's gone to school. हम शक्लें अभी नहीं दिखा रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी हम खाना खाने में बिजी हैं. नंगे नहीं बैठे हैं, शक्लें इसलिए नहीं दिखा रहे क्योंकि खाना खाने में बिजी हैं. पहले खाना खाएंगे फिर शक्ल दिखाएंगे. ओके बाय. Your trip is now coming to an end, or has actually come to an end. You'll be leaving in another 20 minutes to your airport. So how was your trip of 9 days? With fights with me.
No, there were no fights. For you it was a fight, but for me it was no nothing. Yeah. 9 days, I think 9 days are not enough.
Yeah.
Let's say, we'll plan again.
Yes, absolutely.
You come back to India.
We'll not come back to India, but we will definitely come to India. I don't know when. Maybe late December, early January. I'm not too sure when. But yeah. But how has been your experience?
Experience. नहीं मैं बैठ ही रहा हूँ. Philippines. That's it.
Yeah, but you missed one, which is Arabic food.
Yeah, that's fine. I have tried it in India, but I also wanted to try it in.
Yeah, but we don't like Arabic food, so we did not offer you all.
Also, you did not take him to the Ferrari.
Yeah, I did not take him to the Ferrari world.
That is fine.
There are
Next
few
time.
things that are pending. Like we did not go to Burj Khalifa top.
Yeah.
We could not go to Ferrari World. We also could not go for car ride. But yeah, there are a few things which are left. Probably next
I
time.
think, yeah. there should
But
be
you
something.
visited. Let me.
Abu Dhabi,
You
yeah.
visited Abu Dhabi,
That
right?
was not in the plan. So
That was not in the plan. So you went with Arlene and Chiran to Abu Dhabi. I would rather, as Chiran rightly said, that Chiran rightly said that you have seen more Dubai than what we have seen so far. So, are you excited to go back to India?
I
To
am
mom?
excited. Yeah, I'm excited of using my home actually.
Yeah. Rahat, Mamu is going back home.
But I want him.
You want him. You don't want him to go.
No.
Then go with him.
India. Okay, come on.
I want everybody to come in.
To come India. To come to India.
No, in Dubai.
To Dubai. Okay, we'll get everybody to Dubai.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh. You sad?
No.
No. Okay, very good. You're not sad.
Yes, yes or no, no?
Yes.
Yes, you're sad.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Never mind. But that's how it is. When we'll go to India, then you can stay with Mamu, Nanima, Dadima, Dadu, everybody.
And I.
Arlene will come later, but then that's fine. जबरदस्ती निकालना होता है.
Ambulance.
What is Elaine?
Start, Rahat.
What? Start.
You will not cry.
No, I'll not cry. Why
Pakka.
should I cry?
Pakka.
कुछ भी. चल bye.
Let's focus.
ध्यान से जाना. ध्यान से जाना.
पता लगा ये रोने लग गया.
Come on, guys, drink. Hey. Chu. Bye.
You're sad. Oh, you want to go with Mamu?
चल.
Come dancing.
I want to go with you.
चल.
हाँ.
You go with you.
Chalo.
चलो bye bye. They will not let you go inside the airport only. चलो.
क्या? चलो Rahat.
That's okay, Rahat. We'll go in a while. Lo, Rahat is only crying.
चल. I'm mate.
चलो Rahat, we can't stay here for long.
चला.
चलो, the cops are coming.
चलो Rahat. See you next month.
You wanna sit back?
Yes. No. Run.
Chalo, bye.
Mamu, don't go. Mamu.
Let's go.
Acha.
पुराना वाला लगा है ना ये ताज़ा. चलो, bye. Okay.